I really can't understand where all my earrings go. These ones are my favorite ones to wear on a daily basis, like little studs. That fake diamond looking stud. However, these ones are smaller than what I usually like. Like I like a bigger one just because like, I feel like my ears are kind of like big right here. And I always lose them. Always. I don't know where in the world they are. Like, does anybody else have like a favorite pair of kind of earrings that you wear all the time that you just like always lose? I never know where they go. I also really like to wear hoops. But I don't really seem to lose those. Maybe it's because of these are so tiny. I don't know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thanks for tuning in. So today I have a bunch of new makeup that I want to try. Well, it's kind of a lot, it's kind of not a lot, I don't know. It's all this stuff in here. Some of it's stuff that I got from the States and I still haven't tried. Like, what is wrong with me? Sometimes I throw stuff in this white bin so that way I can remind myself, this is the stuff you want to use in your videos, and I just don't touch it, even though I really want to try it. But I want to try it with you guys just because content. But the main focus of today is the new So Jaded palette by Kathleenlights and Colourpop. Here's the thing. Kathleenlights, I love her. She's definitely one of my all-time favorite YouTubers. I watch her every single video that she puts out. And everybody knows she's the Colourpop queen, but also overdoes it. Like, it's overkill, and she knows it too. But this palette actually seemed pretty interesting to me. I was pretty excited about it when I saw her like swatching them and everything. And normally I don't get like that. I really try to stick to palettes that really make me feel excited. Like, I don't like to buy palettes just for the hype, which I really used to do a lot back when I first started. But now I really just buy palettes that I really want to use and really inspire me. And that I get excited about. And this actually was one of them because it's kind of unique. This is Colourpop's first large palette. This is the first time they've ever done a palette with a bunch of shades in it, probably like more than 12, I want to say. But yeah, it has a ton of shades in here. I think it's 30, yes. And they are all jeweled tones. They're all based on stones and rocks. Rock sounds so geometrically correct. It doesn't sound as fancy, but that's what they are. They're stones, they're rocks. They're basically, all of these are based off of those different kinds of stones. And what's funny is when she was going through the swatches of these, she named all of them. Basically, they're all inspired by specific stones. And it was really fun to see what shades she chose for each one, because rocks are low-key kind of beautiful. Okay, high-key right now, they're kind of beautiful. Everybody is all about the stone energy. So I think also it was pretty smart of her to do this because so many people are into stones right now. I love the energy of this palette. I really liked the colors. There's some pretty unique colors in here that you don't see in a lot of palettes. And you can do a lot of different looks with this. You can amp it up and do some fun looks, and you can dress it down and do some really simple, easy, everyday kind of looks. So those are my favorite kind of palettes where you can kind of do everything. Okay, so I actually am going somewhere, so I'm not gonna do something super duper over the top like I normally do. I'm gonna do something a little bit more on the casual side. You guys know I always use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden, and she's lost right now. I don't know where she is, but it's okay. Tarte Shape Tape will do for today. So I'm gonna do the eyes, and I'm just gonna point to it and speed through this part because I don't have a lot of time, and I kind of need to not talk because you guys know that I can talk forever. Conversations I have with myself, a lot in here that I'm dying to tell. Keeping quiet cause it's all I know. Oh, push away but it keeps coming back. Can't contain the emotions I have. In and out, gotta let it go. When it rains, let it pour. Getting lost in the waves. When it rains, let it pour. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Some nights feels good and I have to fight it. Lose a little self-control, even if I get exposed. And it's alright. Oh, at least you can say that I'm
wanna get lost in the storm, no. Conversations I have with myself, a lot in here that I'm dying to tell. Keeping quiet, cause it's all I know. Oh, push away, but it keeps coming back. Can't contain the emotions I have. In and out, gotta let it go. When it rains, let it pour. Getting lost in the waves. When it rains, let it pour. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away.
Okay guys, so that is the main part of my eyes. All the ones that I used on my eyes really worked out really well. These are more like buildable eyeshadows, which like honestly, I love buildable eyeshadows because it's really easy to go super heavy-handed. So when it's buildable, it makes that like, it takes that whole part out where you have to think about how much you're putting on. Honestly, when I was using this dark shade right here, what is this called? Stoned. It's like a deep dark like black brown, and it swatches really well, but on the eyes it like I was going super light at first because I was nervous that it was gonna like overtake the yellow and everything, but it actually didn't. So it was very buildable, but you can build it up pretty deep, which I really like dark colors that are like that. Unless it's a black, I want that to be black. I really like when they're buildable like that because dark colors can really overtake a look very quickly. With the black, when you're using a black, it's like obviously you know to go light-handed because it's black. But any other color, I feel like sometimes you forget that. So I really like that they're buildable eyeshadows. As long as I can get the pigment there and it's not like hours later, then I really like the eyeshadows. I didn't use any of the glitters. I know that you guys like probably were hoping that I would use some fun colors or whatnot, but this is just what I was feeling today, and I never know what I'm gonna feel, and today I'm feeling yellowy-ish. So moving on to the face for now, I have a primer to use, and it is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I cannot believe I have not used this yet. This was hyped up a long time ago, and I just now got some because this is expensive. And I got the tiny one. I think this tiny one was like 20 something. But I did use my 20% off when they were doing the sale when I was in the States. So what is going on with my hair? Well, it's a little bit creamier than I expected. Okay, so there's the primer. Whoa. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. It definitely smells like Tatcha. Like, I love the water cream by Tatcha, and it smells like that. It's very spa, but like better than spa. What? What does that even mean? I need to try this foundation because it's been sitting here for so long. I can't believe I haven't tried it on yet. This is the Naked 24-Hour Weightless Liquid Foundation. I got the shade 10NN. I've been wanting to use this for a long time, ever since it got really hyped up. And this bottle, when I saw it online, I was like, what the heck, that's so strange. Like, why does everybody love it? But when you hold it, it is pretty nice. I really do actually like this packaging. So we're gonna try this out today. I've heard amazing things about it, so it better be amazing for how much money I spent on it. Because like, I don't wear foundations enough to be able to basically say that it's worth it for me to buy foundation, because I just don't wear it on a daily basis. When I find one I like, then it's all good because it's worth it, kind of. That doesn't make any sense at all. First of all, this is super light. Like, wow. As far as weight, like, it's very light feeling. Looks like it's like medium coverage. I wonder if it's buildable though. We will see here in a second. That literally feels like nothing. Oh my God, it's like already drying. It doesn't feel like sticky at all. Like, I feel like if it dries, it's gonna dry down all the way. Dang it, I threw the box and I needed the box. So it says that it's flexible, breathable, real skin matte finish, medium buildable coverage. It doesn't transfer, minimizes the appearance of pores, stay true color, waterproof, and has a vegan formula. So far, I think that those things seem true of the things that I can tell. I am gonna add more on my cheek area. Oh yeah, it's definitely buildable. I really love this foundation so far. It looks like nothing. Like, it looks literally like my skin, guys. Like, wow, that's the craziest thing. Oh my, like, that's insane. Like, it really looks like my skin. I don't have the new Urban Decay concealer. I'm actually gonna use the older Naked Skin Concealer. I used to love this back in the day, and I still use it every once in a while, and I've repurchased it since back in the day when I used to love it a couple of times. So I'm just gonna use this because it is like a medium coverage kind of concealer. It's not like super full coverage like a lot of my other ones, because I don't want a super concealed look today. I just want something kind of light. Is that darker than my foundation? Or is it just me? Oh my gosh, is that darker than my foundation? Am I really like that pale? Like, I don't think that's light enough either, so you know what? Let's put some literal white. Because I'm that white. 3 concealers later, we're up to full coverage. My bad. I can't do it, guys. I can't. I don't know how to just do medium. I feel like my concealer always ends up being full coverage, almost no matter what. I'm gonna use the Fenty setting powder to set the concealer under my eyes. This is the shade Butter. Guys, this foundation looks amazing. Like, so good. I don't need to set the foundation, just the concealer. Wow, I love this foundation so far. Oh, I have a nude eyeliner. Could I do nude with this? Yeah, I could do nude with this. Okay, the other thing I have to try is the Sephora Colorfull and Shadow Liner. This is a waterproof matte nude liner. If you guys have been around my channel, you know I'm obsessed with this in the black for a waterline, black liner. And I decided to get a nude one too. This is the shade Secret Boudoir. I don't know how to say that word. Boudoir. I don't know how to say that word, but it is a nude color, and I'm gonna use this in my waterline today. Oh, it's so creamy and fresh. Yes, that was so fast. Oh my god. And it's very nude. I don't know how I feel about nude with this look. I think it looks good, but it's fine because we just wanted to try it out, and I'm really excited to have it. I know I'm totally skipping around here because I still have to finish the face, but I'm also going to do like a very tiny winged liner. Or am I gonna do a wing? I think so, but just like a really tiny one, I hope. And this is the Benefit Roller Liner. Okay, I think this liner is starting to run out unless I press really hard with it to get some of the ink out. So I'm gonna use the Hank & Henry Slick With It Blickety Black liner to touch up the ends. And we have a full-on wing now. Oh my god, I can't do anything a little bit. You know what happened is I broke my own rule. My rule with winged eyeliner is that if you're doing it and it looks close enough, leave it alone, and I didn't leave it alone, so that's what happened. I usually don't have that much trouble doing my liquid liner. I don't know what's going on today, probably because I'm in a hurry. I guess this kind of turned into like a get ready with me, to be honest. So I'm going to use my Fenty bronzer in Inda Sun. I don't know why I like totally forgot what shade I had for a second there, and I'm just gonna bronze really quickly. Hold on, you guys, I'll be right back. I need to finish up my eyes, you know, mascara, eyebrows, all of that. I'll be right back. Okay guys, really quick because I'm running out of time. Lower lash line, I'm gonna use the yellow because I put mascara on one side and I forgot that I didn't do my lower lash line yet. And then I'm gonna take that super dark color on a tiny brush so I can get really close to my lower lash line. Well, this isn't tiny, it's just super flat. Okay. I'll finish up my mascara in a second. But let's finish the face. I have a Jouer Blush Rose Gold duo, and these are the shades Marigold and Rose Petal. I was really excited to get this, and I don't know why. It's just a little duo, but I've heard that the Jouer blushes are really amazing. So we're gonna use this, and I do have a brush that I want to try. It's a new one from e.l.f. I think it's just their angled blush brush, which I think I already have one of these, but the packaging is new, so I was like, ooh, new brush. Okay, now for blush, okay, neither one of these really match the look, but I'm just gonna use this one right here and see what happens. Okay, okay, okay. Looks good, looks good. I like that blush so far. So far, it's good. Okay, and then the last thing I have is this Ofra highlighter in Beverly Hills. It has like 5 different shades in here. I've talked about this before, but I've never actually used it. I gave this away for my 500 subscriber giveaway, and I never actually used it myself yet, so we're gonna use it today. And I'm going to use, I think I'm gonna use this champagne shade down here. Ooh, I like it. Pretty. Okay, I'm really excited about this because it has like 5 different ones and it's really nice. I'm also gonna put that color on my inner corners. Beautiful, beautiful. Maybe a little bit on the brow bone. Finish up my mascara, and I literally am supposed to leave in 3 minutes. That's not happening. Okay, now try not to blink so that I don't get mascara everywhere like I always do. Oh, lipstick. Ah, and I just blinked. I also, yeah, I just did it again. Okay, awesome. I don't know what's wrong with this left eye. I also had some lashes by Kiss, and these are the Lash Couture Faux Mink Lash Collection. I don't have time to apply these, and I actually have used these before. I love these lashes. Super good. Really, really, really good drugstore lash. All right, and then I'm gonna use the ABH liquid lipstick in Starfish. I don't know if this is available or if this was like a limited edition color. Oh my god. This is what I get for trying to hurry. Love when my lipstick's wonky. Love that. This is going good. This is going so well. Oh, it's all under control. It's all under control. Okay guys, I'm now 2 minutes late. I should have left 2 minutes ago. It's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't even know what this video is anymore. I know that we were talking about the So Jaded palette, so I hope that you guys found this video a little helpful, a little entertaining. I really hope that you consider subscribing after this disastrous video, because I need it. I need all the support I can get with all these problems I have going on. I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
When it rains, let it pour.